Good PM. Ngayon po ay Thursday, June 13, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayon Thursday, June 13, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto, 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong June 13, 2024 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto, 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Thursday, June 13, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 48 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 57 million pesos for June 13, 2024, Thursday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Thursday, June 13, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.